Hi guys, welcome to Pop Rocks. Today is going to be another slime video. I'm sorry if you hear crunching. I'm eating some veggie straws. So yeah, I'm hungry. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to make scented slime. And this is basically very easy, but I just wanted to share my idea because I love doing videos. And why do I have slime here? But all you'll be needing is one extra ingredient from this my slime and borax thing. Okay, so the ingredients you'll need is glue. I don't have Elmer's glue, but I am getting, but I do have this glue, but Elmer's glue would work the best. So if you have Elmer's glue, that's great. You'll need some measuring spoons. They don't have to be measuring spoons, but you should know if it's a tablespoon, or that would work too. Okay, so your measuring spoons, a popsicle stick if you want to mix, because the spoons I don't like it because it gets stuck in there. So if you definitely have a popsicle stick, that would also work. A bowl to mix in, or anything to mix in really, and your slime activator. 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of borax. This is what I used to pick up the borax. And some cold water. I just have some cold water in there. And what's going to make it scented is going to be scented lotion. I'm just using Sulfara's cream, and it smells really good. So just pick a cream that you like it smell. And I love this smell. And it smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it, but that's impossible unless you're in my house. Okay. So I'm going to take your container that you're mixing in, and you're just going to want to pour the glue. So this is basically like my whole borax video. So yeah. And I forgot one thing. Food coloring, if you want it to be colored, but I only have green and yellow food coloring and no red, and I wanted to make it purple. So if you don't have food coloring at all, or you don't have the colors you need, just use some markers, and I'll show you how you can do it after. So I added my glue in, and this glue is very chunky. So if your glue is very chunky, I'm sorry about that noise that I said, I'm sorry. If it's really chunky, that's where you're going to add your cold water. No borax, just like the plain water. Add a little bit. And you're just going to want to mix. If you remember this from the other video, that's great. That's why I'm not really showing what I'm doing, but I am talking. I'm going to get this well mixed. So once it's well mixed, if you had food coloring, you just want to add it now. If you don't have no food coloring, you're going to stick to your scented lotion for the slime to be scented. Okay, so I think I want to add a little bit more. So basically, I'm doing 2 spoons or 3. And you're just going to want to mix it. Okay, guys. Once that is well mixed, we are going to now add our borax and water. Make sure your borax and water was well dissolved. Sorry that you were staring up at my ceiling again. Make sure this is well dissolved. Okay, so once that is well dissolved, you're going to want to give your mixture one more spin. And I just feel like adding a little bit more lotion. Okay. Okay. Now once done. This is really like repeating the same video, but it's scented slime, so it's not really. Now you're staring at my dirty cream finger that has cream in it. Okay, now this is why you need these spoons to pick up the borax. But I'm just going to stick to I'll use these. I have 3 different colors. They're really the same. I have pink, red, and purple. They're really the same. So I'm going to take one, add 2 little spoonfuls, and start mixing. And again, you're staring up on my ceiling. I'm sorry about that. And we are going to begin to start kneading after we add some more. 1, 2. See, like it gets little. Like my spoon will only take a little, so I'm gonna add 3. Then continue mixing and mixing. And then I'm just going to begin kneading because this takes a little while, so my hands are like all dirty now. So with my glue, since I told you my glue was sort of weird, I do have extra water, but slime is like buried in here. So if you have my glue, hopefully this didn't happen, so you could just skip this part. I'm just gonna drain out my water. Okay. I'm still eating veggie sticks. Okay. It's gonna get really messy. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be right back. So I drained out all the water. Right now it doesn't stretch. It totally looks like fluffy slime, guys. It really looks like fluffy slime. I have all the water that I drained out, and then some more of the water in my drainer. So I smelled mine, and it smells exactly like the cream. You don't need to make this. You could also just add it to your slime, and I'll show you that later after I color this. So, we have markers and no food coloring. You take what color you want, and I want mine to be purple. So, I'm just gonna start. My hands are wet because of the slime, and now I can't open the marker. Okay, so I'm just going to start poking it, and then you could still draw with it. So I think it's better than having to take out all the ink of it. Okay. Then I want it to be sort of like light purple, so I'm gonna see if that can do it. Okay, and I'm gonna take I'll do it with my hand, and I'm just gonna start mixing. I think slime is really fun to play with. When this glue sort of makes your slime weird and different consistency, really different consistency than the Elmer's glue. Or any glue, really. Hope I'll never see them again. And guys, you're staring at my ceiling again 3 times, I believe. It still didn't really turn into the purplish color I wanted it to turn into. So I do think it's easier to take out the ink of the marker. But if you don't want to waste your marker, this is better. Like, it just stayed its color, really. And it's starting to get less chunkier. Yeah, it's really chunky. It's like chunky. And it doesn't stick to your hands. That just kind of like, I went like that. I'm going to color it again and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I don't know if you could see it, but it's like this light violet. I don't know if you can see it, like this really light violet. Can you see it, guys? Let's see. Can you see it? I'm now like there. There. There, you can see it. I believe it sort of looks like pink through the camera, like a very light-ish pink. Alright, see, you can see it a little there. Let me focus on it. See right over there and over here. That's where the camera's focusing on. Focus. Yeah, it's focusing. See right over here. Right over here. And right over here, you could also see it. See like the violetish. So guys, I will be doing a gigantic slime video in a while. Let's see over there too. See, it is light violet. So anyway, I will be doing a gigantic. I didn't know it was raining. It's raining. But I'm gonna be doing a gigantic slime video. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a gigantic slime video. And once I do that, gigantic slime video, I would just be playing with my slime, then hopefully do some other videos besides slime, or I'm just going to be in love with slime and change my whole profile picture to slime. No, that's not happening, because... So, thank you guys for watching this Pop Rocks video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and bye! To the P, to the O, to the P, to the R, to the O, to the C, K, S, Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks. Pop Rocks. Peace out, guys.